Today we will talk about some of the very best teachers for CMA Inter Group 1. Starting with financial accounting, we have CMA Santosh Kumar sir, who is a well-known teacher and has experience of more than 15 years. He gives the best concept clarity and removes the fear of accounts from students. For law, we have CA Shivangi Agarwal ma'am, who is undoubtedly the best teacher for not leaving a single doubt in a class, and CS Arjun Chabda sir, who is well known for his handwritten notes and for giving various different examples which can help us in last day revision. Next, we have CA Satish Chalan sir, who is the master of costing and has the experience of more than 15 years. Starting from the basic and going very deep into the subject is the reason why he is known as the famous teacher for cost accounting. For direct tax, CA Vijay Sarda sir is the best option one can choose who wants to complete their syllabus in a funny way and without getting bored in the class, and also with the proper concept clarity. Stay connected to know the best teacher for Group 2 and also don't forget to share it with your friends.